Well, new information is revealed today as Kelsey Berreth's fiancée is formally charged with her murder. And Denver 7's Liz Gilardi was in the Teller County courtroom this morning as Patrick Frazee was charged with 5 felonies.
Mr. Frazee, you can join your attorney, Mr. Steigerwald, there at the podium.
The evidence against Patrick Frazee is still a mystery, but it was enough to file 2 first-degree murder charges. The district attorney says they have 2 theories on what happened to Kelsey Berreth.
Under Colorado law, we file separate counts on the different theories of first-degree murder.
There's also 3 counts of solicitation to commit first-degree murder. We asked if that means multiple people were involved or if anyone else could be arrested.
It does not name anybody at this time in those counts, so I cannot comment on who it is that's being solicited, but there are 3 separate counts of solicitation in the charges.
And as Frazee sits in court, even he hasn't seen the arrest affidavit or the evidence police have against him. Investigators said they need more time before letting him see it, but the judge will ultimately decide later this week.
Allows counsel to even start representing his client and preparing if he can't even discuss the information he's receiving.
And inside that Teller County courtroom, the prosecution filed a motion asking to test a specific piece of evidence as requested by CBI. But we don't know what that piece of evidence is, and those documents are not being released. Kelsey went missing on November 22nd, and since then the case has gained national and international attention. The defense expressed concern about media coverage, asking the judge to limit any statements to the press, but she ultimately denied it.
Our position from the DA's office on the unsealing of the warrants is strictly coming from the investigators in terms of what they're asking us for.
Some of that evidence and testimony will be presented in late January during a preliminary hearing. And Frazee will be back in court later this week as the search for a missing mother continues. Liz Gilardi, Denver 7.